Thank you for joining the ITS Dispatch Training video series. Today's topic will be how to split and merge loads. So a very common occurrence when you have several loads that are going out on a particular day. As we can see here, we've got a couple of loads here that are going to be going out today, which is March 22nd. And these loads can be joined together to create an LTL load. We can also, in the system, split loads. So we have a load here that are a number of LTL loads that are set up. And if we needed to split that up into several different parts, we can do that as well. So the process to do this is very simple. We're going to go to our dispatch section in the program, and we're going to go down to load manager. So we're going to have to work with an active load. Those are the only loads that can be joined. As we can see here, it doesn't give us the option to do that in the completed section, but an active load can be put together. First thing, the load status must be in an open status. A load cannot be joined unless it's in an open status. So if it's en route or in any other status other than open, you cannot join the loads together. What you will see on the left-hand side of the load manager are checkboxes. These checkboxes are going to give you the available loads that can be joined or split. If we click on one of the loads, we'll see here now that the rest of the boxes are unavailable. That means that this load cannot be joined with any other load. And there's several reasons for that. If we open up this load, the first thing that we want to look at is the third line down, which will have our driver information, the equipment information, the truck, and trailer. These four columns have to be exactly the same in the other loads for it to be joined. So I'm going to close this load now, and we're going to look at one of the other loads on the list here. If we take a look at, we'll take load 1662 here, we can see that the driver on this load is Peter Percentage, the equipment type is a 53-foot van, the truck is number 1, and the trailer is number 2. If we compare that to the load we were looking at just a moment ago, load number 1496, we can see here the driver is Henry Hourman, the equipment type is a 53-foot van, the truck is number 1 and 2 as well. So if we change this to Peter Percentage, the driver on the other load, and we save that, we'll notice now that we have the option of including other loads to join them. And if we take a look at this other load here that's available, 1663, we will see that the driver, equipment type, truck, and trailer all match up. Actually, this one's assigned later, so we'll make that number 1, but that is not an issue. As long as we have everything else as far as the driver is concerned, then we should all be fine. We can save that. In order to merge the loads, we just select the loads that we wish to merge. And if we look up in the top right-hand corner, we're going to see two arrows. We have a split LTL and a merge into an LTL. So we're going to merge this load. It's going to ask us if we're sure that we want to do this. Give us one checkbox, and we can see now that these loads here all have an L beside it. And if we open up any one of these loads, we can see here that we have a multiple customer, multiple unit load. So that is how we merge a load in order to split a load. Let's take that same load. We're going to open up any one of them. If we click on these, we just click on the reverse, split LTL, and that will create individual loads. So now this load, if we go back into it, is an individual load that is unsplit. Very simple, very easy. If you have any other questions, feel free to call our office Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Our phone number is 888-338-9656, and you can reach our support department, as I said, from Monday to Friday, 9 to 5. Take care and have a great day.